Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change feedback in AliExpress using your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, navigate to the AliExpress website. After you are in the website, make sure you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in this home page, you can see the profile icon at the top right. Tap on it. In this section, if you scroll down a little bit, here you can see settings option. Tap on settings. In the settings menu, you can see the feedback option. Tap on feedback. Here you will see the list of feedbacks that you have given before. You cannot change the feedback you have already given before, but you can surely add a new one to override it. So you can tap on submit feedback. Select the category, type in your feedback. You can mention the improvements and change in your previous feedback. If it's a suggestion related to technical issues, you can even add a picture over here. And once you're done, tap on submit button. And that's it, you've successfully changed the feedback in AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.